Hi, this is Dr. Jerry Dreesen with another question and answer video about chiropractic. Question number 9. How is a chiropractic adjustment performed? Chiropractic adjustment or manipulation is the manual procedure that utilizes the highly refined skills developed during the intensive years of chiropractic education. The chiropractor typically uses his or her hands to manipulate the joints of the body, particularly the spine, in order to reduce pain and restore or enhance joint function. Chiropractic manipulation is a highly controlled procedure that rarely causes discomfort. The chiropractor adapts the procedure to meet the specific needs of each patient. Patients often note positive changes in their symptoms immediately following treatment. Thanks again for your time, and be on the lookout for my next email question. Is chiropractic treatment ongoing? If you're seeing this for the first time, go to the website you see displayed below and sign up to receive other similar emails and a special offer just for signing up. This has been Dr. Jerry Dreesen for Back to Action Chiropractic, wishing you a healthy and prosperous day.